Twin brothers Tony-Lee and Brandon-Lee Thulsie made headlines in July 2016 when they were arrested in nuclear Johannesburg, accused of having links to Islamic State group. The state alleged they were plotting to detonate explosives at the US Embassy and Jewish institutions in the country. Since their arrest 5 years ago, the pair have not set foot outside prison. The Thulsie case has been marred by a myriad of delays from the onset, which legal experts say are not completely unusual.
Delays are justified in criminal trials when there are reasonable delays. Obviously, that begs the question as to what can then be a reasonable delay and in what circumstances would a delay be unreasonable. Within the life cycle of a matter, there are delays for a myriad of reasons. Often witnesses are not available, for instance, or certain documentation hasn't been shared in time and the other party requires time to consider the documentation. Sometimes investigations are still ongoing whilst the criminal proceedings or the charges haven't been put to the accused yet. There may be bail applications in the interim period and a number of questions of law which may be ventilated through an application.
The brothers abandoned their bail application in 2016 and unsuccessfully tried again last year.
The facts are actually quite complex insofar as which party is responsible for the delay. And certainly when we look at what has actually been happening, it appears that the actual delay may in actual fact be a reasonable delay. We've had delays in this matter relating to whether the matter is in the correct court and should be transferred accordingly. We've had delays in this matter that have seen a point being taken all the way up to the Supreme Court of Appeal, a legal point that is. There have been delays in this matter that have been occasioned as a result of bail applications. There have been delays in this matter occasioned as a result of the non-availability of the various parties, the prosecutor and legal teams, etc. So as the matter stands particularly, yes, it should have been heard a lot sooner and should have been ready to be heard a lot sooner than it is at the moment. But certainly the delays that have been occasioned to the matter are not such that the Thulsies can be in a position to demand that the state not proceed with their prosecution.
The twins are expected back in the dock on Monday for their trial to get underway. Hasina Gori, SABC News, Johannesburg.